Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Courtesy of Infiniti of Nashville, we have this 2015 Infiniti Q40. But it looks like a G37. It is a G37. This was when Infiniti was changing over to the different names, like the Q40, Q60, all that fun stuff. Oh, whatever. It's screwed in there. It's not coming out. Here's something walking in there. This one, of course, is the sedan. All right, let's go for a drive. This one has 77,000 miles on it. Still in pretty good shape for the year and mileage. You also have a snow mode. Of course, this is the all-wheel drive, so it's gonna be good in snow regardless. So, like I was saying about that snow mode, what that's gonna do is basically decrease the throttle sensitivity. It's gonna allow it to keep grip a little bit more. It also probably, I think, starts the transmission in second. It's just gonna prioritize traction. You can actually feel the difference when you're just driving around. You'll apply throttle, put in snow mode, and you'll feel the difference. This one has the 3.7 liter VQ engine. Plenty of torque, plenty of power to get that pass. That transmission's eager to kick down. I like it that way. I'd rather the transmission kick down more than it needs to, rather than being sluggish at a time where you need power. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.